In this video, you're going to learn about 10 foods that you can add to your diet to lower your blood pressure naturally. We'll follow that up with a recipe that you can try that's a smoothie that has a special ingredient that will also help lower your blood pressure. The goal of Wellness This Way is to teach you how to use nutrition and fitness to improve your health. I'm not a doctor. What I say to you is for educational purposes only, so if you intend to make changes to your diet and you're concerned about that, you need to talk to your doctor first. So let's get started then on this recipe and on the 10 items that you can add to your diet that will improve that blood pressure. So before I go into those 10 foods that can lower your blood pressure naturally, there's a couple of things you should know. First, 1 in every 3 American adults has high blood pressure, and it contributes to 1,000 US deaths per day. So to normalize blood pressure is one of, if not the most important things you can do to increase your health and your quality of life. First, beetroot. The nitrates in beetroot can lower blood pressure. Second, garlic. Garlic can reduce blood pressure and lower LDL cholesterol. Third, salmon. There is strong evidence that salmon can help lower blood pressure because of its omega-3 content. Fourth are cashews and almonds, and they can dramatically lower blood pressure because of their magnesium content. Magnesium is a mineral. Studies show that a lack of magnesium in the diet is strongly associated with blood pressure complications. Fifth is kale, and the magnesium content in kale significantly lowers blood pressure. Kale is not only rich in magnesium, but it's also rich in potassium and vitamin C. A diet high in potassium is linked to lowering blood pressure. 6 is curcumin and turmeric. They have anti-inflammatory effects, and the benefits of curcumin are its relationship to the nitric oxide, which is similar to beetroot. Green tea improves blood flow and blood pressure because of its polyphenol content. Full-fat dairy products like yogurt and even ghee can lower blood pressure because of their vitamin K2 content. Green coffee, otherwise known as unroasted coffee, also lowers blood pressure. A 1-week study showed that 480 milligrams of green coffee extract reduced heart rate and blood pressure by 8%. Lastly, black currants are also associated with lowering blood pressure. In this recipe I'm about to show you, I'm using a powdered form. Speaking of that recipe, let me show you how to make it. Here we go. Alright, for the recipe you're going to need a high-powered blender. And then for the ingredients, you will need celery, an apple, and a handful of black currants. If you have trouble finding fresh or frozen black currants, you could also use black currant powder, which is what I'm using for this recipe. You'll need some ginger root and also some flaxseed. You'll take all these ingredients and put them into your blender, blend it up, and then pour it into a glass to enjoy. You're going to be enjoying beta-carotene, biotin, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, calcium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, sulfur, and essential fatty acids. It's fantastic for blood pressure and for your heart. So enjoy and drink up. All right, so if you've liked this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for future notifications. We'll see you next time.